Troubleshooting Pioneer Xumo TV volume issues. Quick fixes. Experiencing volume problems on your Pioneer Xumo TV? Most issues stem from software conflicts, not hardware. First, ensure your Xumo TV has the latest firmware update. Pioneer released firmware version 3.2.1 in early 2025 to fix remote control and audio glitches. Check for updates in settings. Next, power cycle your device by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Then, check your remote's batteries and ensure it's paired correctly via settings, remotes, and accessories. Also, verify that there are no physical obstructions or wireless interference sources. Finally, reset sound settings to factory defaults. For persistent problems, the Pioneer Home app offers real-time diagnostics. Pioneer Xumo TVs often have software volume limits to prevent damage. You can adjust this in Settings, Sound, Advanced Audio settings. If using external speakers or a soundbar, confirm HDMI ARC, eARC, optical, or Bluetooth connections are properly configured. Problems can occur from port misconfigurations or incompatible standards. Ensure CEC is enabled for seamless device communication. If using HDMI, check that both devices use the same standards and formats, like Dolby Atmos versus PCM. As a last resort, test with alternative outputs like headphones to isolate the problem. If still having issues, check Pioneer's official site or forums for the latest support information.